Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove or delete underline markups from your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I'll remove this underline from PDF file. Now click on this review option. Now click on this underline and select. As this underline now selected. Now press right button from your mouse cursor and select delete option. Say this underline now delete. Again click on this underline or press delete key from your keyboard and delete. This one also delete. If you want, you can add new underline. See this. Yeah, this is in this way you can add new underline. Now click on this underline and select properties option. Here you can change your underline color and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.